Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly B-Boy tutorial. Like always, we're gonna learn a new move today, and the move that we're gonna learn today is called the Indian step hop. Some people call this the Indian step hop, and even some call this the Indian step jump. Alright, so for me, name is not the most important thing. The most important thing to me is how we execute it right and how we get the move down. Okay, but before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you will get notified. Great, so without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. The most basic move to learn this is to know how to do the Indian step. If you are still struggling doing the Indian step, I would suggest you to go and check out the Indian step tutorial first, learn that move, master it down, and then come back here to learn this Indian step hop. But for those of you guys who already know how to do Indian step, then this move should be quite simple and easy to learn. Okay, we're gonna start from the normal Indian step. Okay, so my left leg is gonna kick to the front like the normal Indian step. Okay, now left leg to the ground, right leg swing over, and my left leg is going up. Okay, again, I won't go deep into the Indian step tutorial on how you can do it because I already did a tutorial. So I'm just gonna quickly, briefly go through every single step so that you guys can know and understand how the move works. Alright, again, left leg kick to the front, place it back down, right leg swing, put it again to the ground, and your left leg is going up. Alright, now, again, from this move here, you have to pay attention. The next step is my left leg is going back to the ground. Okay, from here my right leg is going to swing to the back and I will try to hop or jump. Okay, simple. Yes, one more time. Left leg swing to the front, right leg swing over, left leg up. Now left leg going back down, and when it's going back down, your right leg is going to prepare to hop or jump to the back. Alright, now after the hop, you're going to put your right leg to the swinging positions again that we did earlier. Okay, from here, place your left leg back down. We're going to switch sides. So now we're going to, from left side to the right side, kick your right leg, left leg swing over, right leg is going up. Okay, now right leg is going to go back to the ground, left leg is going to prepare to lunge or hop, and my left leg after the hop is going to come back down again. One more time, we're going to do it very, very slow. Kick, hop, swing, switch side, hop, swing. Now let's put more speed onto the move. Hop, hop. If you're already comfortable with this move, you can mix and match with the other footwork. So it doesn't have to be static. It doesn't have to be you're gonna do the Indian step from right and then switch to the left. No, it doesn't have to do that. Okay, just mix and match. Do your own thing with your creativity.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
I know this is not the Indian step tutorial, but I want to share some tips for you guys. Alright, now I think that people who already know how to do Indian step kind of realize this, but you know, doesn't really matter. This is a bonus for you guys. Now when you do the Indian step, always remember that only one of your foot will always be on the ground. Okay, so watch closely. When I kick, Alright, now when my left leg is gonna go to the ground, my right leg is up. Then when I put my right leg back to the ground, my left leg is up. Again, kick, I'm gonna switch side. Okay, so it doesn't really matter how you do it. The important and the correct way to do the Indian step is only one foot on the ground. So that's it for the tutorial. Like I said earlier, this is very simple and easy if you know how to do the Indian step. But if you don't worry, just check out the Indian step tutorial, and I'm gonna put the link on the description below. Check it out, learn it, and then come back here and learn this whole thing. Alright, that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.